What's up, everybody? I found this website that shows you the highest probability of certain numbers being selected in the Mega Millions drawing. That goes across 45 states. And if you're not in one of the 5 states, you're probably close to one. If you want to drive across the border, you could possibly use these numbers that I'm going to show you to give you a higher probability, potentially, to win $1 billion. So this website, it's called usamega.com. So make sure you go there. The info's right here. I have no affiliation with this website. Do your own due diligence on this, but I just found it looking through an article and I thought, hey, this would be pretty interesting to look at. I want to share it with you guys to give you a shot to win some more money, possibly. And speaking of winning some money, you can have a shot to win our random subscriber giveaway by simply subscribing to the channel and actually send us an email to pursuingthebest.com to let us know you entered, and hopefully I give you a better shot. But anyway, let's get into this. usamega.com. Go in here and just start scrolling down, and you're going to start seeing this. So I'm going to go through the top 5 numbers. So you have to put in 5 separate numbers up front, and then you pick the one mega ball, right? So 5 different numbers and then the mega ball. So the first 5 are 1 through 70, and then the mega ball is 1 through 25. And there's people that have won $1 billion, have won $1 billion. That stunk, but whatever. From Austin Powers, remember that fantastic movie? Anyway, here are the numbers. Let's take a look at these. So if you've got your special dates, your birth dates, your anniversaries, maybe your favorite numbers, lucky numbers, all that kind of stuff would pop up potentially here in the top 5. Do they? Let's take a look. Are your numbers here? Number 14 is number 1 on the list, drawn 55 times, 9.42% of the drawings. And the last one was actually drawn on 3/24/23, so just recently. And then, excuse me, losing my earbud. And then you got number 46 here is number 2 most drawn at 53 times, 9.08%. Last drawn on my birthday, May 9th, 2023. So next year, right there, number 46 should come on the board. Number 3, number 15, and number 17, which happened to be our daughter's uniform number playing volleyball in college. Oh, and wait, we've got another potential tie for 5th here. Number 38, 52 times. So literally, these have all been chosen about the same, 52 times plus, with Mr. 14, Lucky 14, coming in 55 times on the board. And look at all the last times these have been drawn. All of them in 2023 so far. All that top numbers. Now, let's scroll down here quickly to look at the bottom 5. These you may want to not put in. And I'm hiding the number 1 right behind my mic here. But you can see 50, 65, and 35. Only 31 times drawn, 30 times. So if you just hit the big 5-0, having a big birthday celebration, number 50 usually isn't that lucky in the Mega Millions. But maybe you could be the contrarian better and saying, hey, it hasn't shown up much. Maybe it's going to show up. So that's the other thought process. But here's the last 2. The worst one, number 51, 28 times, and number 49, 28 times. A tie at only 4.79% of the time being drawn. So not as good there. So now we got to go to the mega ball, right? So that's the one where you can win $1 billion. If you can get all 5 plus the mega ball. And let's see what that is. Scrolling up. Here it is. Scrolling. Oh, is it 10? Is it 25? 18, 4, 19, 17, 13? No. Oh, it's number 22 on your board is the winner. Number 22, 34 times drawn, 5.82% of the time. And the last time it was drawn was not too long ago, April 14th, 2023. Coming in second place, strong second, number 11, 31 times. Look at that. 11 times 2 is 22. Interesting. 31 times, 5.37 or 5.31% of the time. Last drawn on May 5th of this year. And number 9, number 24 coming in at 28 and 29 times. All recently drawn, guys. Check it out here. So there you go. Try them out if you want to. Again, I'm not promoting any gambling here or anything like that, but I am promoting our website. If you want to have a shot to win a share of our $2 million giveaway, make sure, again, you subscribe to the channel, comment, like. This gets it out to more people because we're not only trying to strive to get money back to you. Our big mission here is to strive to give a ton of money, like $2.137 million, back to charities such as Alzheimer's, ALS, MS, American Cancer Society, American Heart Association, Children's Hospital, all that. So, and the more views we get, the more subscribers we get, more if we can even get sponsors, that would be fantastic. We're going to start giving this money away, and we appreciate you joining on. And as we always say, if you're struggling, things are down, with God, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, we'll see you.